everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching English with Raka. Today we are going to talk about 5 new words. We have already learned 5 new words within 5 minutes. But today we are going to learn 5 new words within 4 minutes. So let's go and learn new words. The first word is forbearance. It is a noun, okay? The pronunciation is forbearance. In English it means patience or the act of not enforcing an action. If you are doing something, then you shouldn't force, okay? It should maintain its own process or its own force, okay? In Bengali it means সহনশীলতা, ধৈর্য, ক্ষমা, বিরতি, নিবারণ ইত্যাদি. In Hindi it means सहनशीलता, क्षमा or धीरज, okay? Second word is saturnine. It is an adjective. The pronunciation is saturnine. In English it means something gloomy or something melancholic, okay? Or words related to these meanings, okay? In Bengali it means বিষণ্ণ, বিমর্ষ, অপ্রফুল্ল ইত্যাদি. In Hindi it means udas, lan या फिर शीशे का, okay? The third word is valedictory and it is an adjective. The pronunciation of the word is valedictory, okay? In English it means pertaining to a farewell or ending of something, okay? Etc. In Bengali it means সমাপ্তি, বিদায়ী বা বিদায়ীকালীন কোনো কিছু, ওকে? বিদায়ীকালীন বা বিদায় সূচক ইত্যাদি. In Hindi it means विदाई का वचन or आशीर्वादात्मक, okay? The fourth word is petulant. It is also an adjective. The pronunciation is petulant, okay? In English it means rude, peevish, vexed, etc. In Bengali it means বিরক্ত করা বা বিরক্ত হওয়া, খিটখিটে, ধৈর্যহীন ইত্যাদি. In Hindi it means ढीठ या फिर जिसमें धीरज बिल्कुल भी नहीं है और फिर चिड़चिड़ा, okay? The last word is equanimity, which is a noun, okay? The pronunciation is equanimity. In English it means composure, calmness or equality, okay? Etc. In Bengali it means মনের সমতা, মনের স্থিরতা বা সমভাব, okay? In Hindi it means क्षमता या फिर संभाव, okay? Now let's go and see how we can use these 5 words in a sentence, okay? If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment down below.